Beer's getting really expensive. And I'm not talking about this or this. I'm definitely not talking about this. Today we're unboxing a $500 bottle of beer. The 2023 edition of Samuel Adams Utopia. And the coating on this bottle looks like a GTR wrap for real. This thing is 28% alcohol by volume and it gets points based on looks already. Comes with a little booklet that congratulates you on spending way too much money on a bottle of beer. And it's got this little window so you can see Sam. I'm curious to know if anybody has ever had this. I'm pocket watching, bro. How much did you pay for that? I start sweating when I spend $100 on whiskey. Fuck 500 for a beer. With that said, shout out to Sam Adams and hit me up in the comments so we could talk about this crazy bottle of beer. Until next time, stay thirsty, my friends.